How to archive and unarchive chats on your Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about archiving and unarchiving our chats on Telegram. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our Telegram. Once you open up your Telegram, you're going to go with any chat group or something that you want to archive or unarchive. So let's say there's this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this. I'm going to go on the top section over here. And once you go on the top section, obviously you're just going to go ahead and you're going to click on leave. Okay. And once you click on leave, obviously that will automatically archive the group. You can undo that if you want to, but obviously the whole concept of doing that is to remove the contact. But obviously archiving and unarchiving, as you can see, is pretty simple. And again, you can do that with different channels as well. Just open up the channel, come over here, okay, click on more, and you can just leave the channel, clear the messages. You can even go and archive stories that you have for your channel, which is a pretty good way to archive things. So yeah, and then you can also delete your channel from here alternatively, which is pretty easy. So yeah, that is how you're going to be archiving and unarchiving chats, by just going and undoing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you can also search up over here in your story archives to unarchive things. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That is how you're going to archive and unarchive your chats on Telegram. So yeah, thank you for watching this video till the end. And that was all from me. I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.